There's lots of things you can do with your secure online Medicare account, like checking your Medicare claims as soon as they're processed, getting information about your plans and coverage, or creating a list of your favorite healthcare providers. You can also choose a primary care provider in your Medicare account. This will give your provider access to more tools and services to manage your care, which can help you as you make healthcare decisions and improve how your healthcare gets coordinated. Get started by logging into your account on Medicare.gov. Don't have an account yet? Make one by selecting Create Account. Check your Medicare card to find your Medicare number and coverage start date. After you log in, select the Providers and Services tab in the menu at the top of the page. Under the Find and Compare heading, select Find Care Providers. Below the Welcome heading, select Doctors and Clinicians to search for your primary care provider. That's the healthcare professional who coordinates your overall healthcare. Next, enter your location and your provider's name, if you know it. If you don't remember, try searching by their specialty or by the name of their group practice. When you find your primary care provider, you'll see details like their specialty, address, and phone number. Select the Save to Favorites button. A screen will pop open. If your provider practices in more than one location, select the location you visit. Check the box next to Make this my primary healthcare provider in my favorites. Then, select the Save to Favorites button at the bottom to save your choice. You may add all your healthcare providers to your favorites list and make changes to your list at any time. To find all the healthcare providers you've saved to your favorites list, click on your name icon and the drop-down to My Providers. The My Favorite Providers screen will show all the providers you have chosen. You may change who's listed as your primary care provider at any time by clicking on the Remove as Primary button. The provider who used to be selected as your primary care provider will remain in your favorites list unless you delete them. For more information or help using your Medicare account, call 1-800-MEDICARE. That's 1-800-633-4227 or visit Medicare.gov. TTY users can call 1-877-486-2048. This product was produced at U.S. taxpayer expense.